Hey, stop it. Stop it. Oh,
Here
no.
we go, the Anderson family.
I said no. We are taking a break. Why is this gun jam? Oh my gosh, this is a new gun.
That's the one normally shoot.
That's because I don't got no bullets in it. No, this like Morgan gun. Morgan, why this one don't work?
Y'all want to sign the ceasefire? All right,
Yes, ceasefire.
Morgan.
Hey, Morgan, where's the
one you got
bullets?
yesterday? Go get the one you got yesterday.
Drop it. Now, right now.
Down too, my nigga.
Put down.
Weapon. You picking it up?
Hey.
Oh, hell no. Now
I don't have it.
Sit down. Morgan, where the balls at for this one? I shot him at his head over there.
Put it down.
See, now you left me weaponless. Get in a chair.
All right, I'm putting my gun back.
You left me weaponless.
Come get your boyfriend.
You can see how easy it is for him.
No, that's not it. You gotta stop. You get your boyfriend. Oh, Willie, your ass away.
They wanted war. They wanted war.
Go.
Hey,
What now? Save it for another time in June, possibly.
they ain't never done for war.
Okay, well, we'll do war later.
People don't want
Here, shut up.
war. Wow, man.
And I'm still live.
Where the balls went.
Still alive, Morgan?
Yes.
No, that's the these yours.
Where my black bullets?
Go, honey, go get your stuff. I'm trying to watch this Heaven for real.
Oh, those are mine.
Come on, here, go, do your gun.
This is the Anderson Nerf Gun Fight family.